Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It is a rich and warm hue that appears in nature, particularly in the hair color of many individuals. This color can be described as a combination of dark brown with hints of red or golden undertones, creating a luxurious and classic look. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as brunette, brunette, net, brunette. This color also brings a sense of mystery and intrigue, evoking images of romantic evenings and autumn landscapes. In fashion and styling, brunette is celebrated for its versatility and ability to complement various skin tones and styles. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about brunette, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.